Hello everyone, welcome to High School Mathematics channel. Today we are going to learn Class 6 Chapter 10 Practical Geometry Exercise 10.4. Let us see the first sum. Construct angle ABC equal to 60 degrees without using protractor. Now let us draw a line L and mark a point B on it. Now place the pointer of the compass at point B and draw an arc of convenient radius which cuts the line L at a point C. Now with the same pointer at C and same radius, draw an arc that passes through B. Now let the two arcs intersect at point A. Now join AB. Now we get angle ABC whose measure is 60 degrees. Without using protractor, we find angle ABC equal to 60 degrees now. See question number 2. Construct an angle of 120 degrees. Now let us construct angle 120 degrees by using protractor. Now draw a ray BC of any length. Draw BC of any length now. Now place the center pointer of the protractor at B and the line must align with BC. Now we have to mark a point A at 120 degrees. Let us take this 0 scale 120 degrees as A. Now let us join angle ABC is the required angle. Now let us do construction of angle 120 degrees by using compass. Draw a ray OA. The pointer of the compass at O as center and take any convenient radius and draw an arc that is cutting OA at point M. Now with M as a center and with the same radius, let us draw another arc which cuts the first arc at P. Now with P as a center and without changing the radius, let us draw another arc which cuts the first arc. Now let us join OQ. Then angle OQ is the required angle. See now question number 3. Construct the following angles using the ruler and compass. See the first sum 75 degrees. Now let us draw a line L and O as a point. Now with O as a center, we are going to draw an arc with any radius. Now mark this point as A. Now with the same radius and A as center, let us draw an arc and call this point as P. Now with P as a center, let us draw another arc and call it as Q point. Now let us join them OP and OQ. Now we have constructed 60 degrees and 120 degrees angle. 60 and 120 between we will get 90 degrees. Let us construct that. Now P as center, draw an arc and Q as center with same radius, draw another arc. Now mark this intersection point as R. Now join OR. Now we have constructed 90 degrees angle. Now with P as center, draw an arc, and this line R, we must draw another arc. Now call this intersection point as S. Now join OS. Now angle AOS is our required angle 75 degrees. See now third question, second sum, 15 degrees we have to construct angle without using protractor. Now let us draw a line L and a point P on it. Now with P as a center, let us draw an arc on line L cutting at a point Q. Now with Q as a center with the same radius, let us draw another arc cutting at a point P. Now let us draw an intersecting point as R. Now join PR. So now we have constructed 60 degrees. Now we have to find bisectors for this. Now with Q as a center, let us draw an arc, and R as a center, draw another arc. Now mark the intersection point as S. Now join PS. Now we have constructed 30 degrees angle. Now let us draw bisectors for this. Now with Q as a center, draw an arc. Now from here you draw another arc and mark the intersection point as T. Now join PT. Therefore angle QPT is equal to 15 degrees. See now question number 3, that is 105 degrees angle we have to construct without using protractor. First let us draw a line L and a point A on it. Now with A as a center, cutting line L at a point P, draw an arc. Now with B as a center, let us draw an arc cutting at a point C. Now with same radius C as a center, draw another arc cutting the first arc at point D. Now let us join AC and AD. Now we have constructed 60 degrees and 120 degrees. Between these two we will get 90 degrees. So let us draw bisectors for that. Now with C as a center, draw an arc, and D as a center with same radius, draw another arc. Now mark the intersection point as E. Now join AE. Now we got 90 degrees. So our given question is 105 degrees, which lies between 90 degrees and 120 degrees. So let us draw bisectors for that. Now with D as a center, draw an arc. Now from this point, you draw another arc. Now mark the intersection point as F. Let us join AF. Now AF is our required angle 105 degrees. Hope you all like this video. If you like this video, please like, share to your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.